So this is the light bar, and this is the brackets I made to extend it out away from the windshield. And by doing this and creating enough airflow up in here between the light bar and the windshield, it basically took all the wind noise away. There is very little wind noise whatsoever with the light bar now. There is absolutely no whistling, no humming, no anything. So I know it doesn't look quite as clean as having it back next to the windshield, but if you're after a quiet ride in the Jeep with no wind noise and still have the functionality of the light bar, then you may want to think about doing this. So thanks, and have a great day.